How to manage your privacy settings in ChatGPT. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Now, open the sidebar menu and tap your profile icon. Next, select Data Controls. This is where you can manage how your ChatGPT conversations and data are handled. If you don't want your new conversations to be used to improve OpenAI's models, find Improve the Model for Everyone and turn the toggle off. Your chats can still remain in your chat history. You can also use export data if you want to request a copy of your ChatGPT history and account data. The export is sent to your email, and the download link expires after 24 hours. Remember that changing Improve the Model for Everyone applies to your entire account, so the setting also applies when you use ChatGPT on other devices. That's it. Now you know how to manage privacy and data settings in ChatGPT.